So welcome back to another video, and today we are playing Jailbreak with Jacobwaas. There he is. Well, make sure you go subscribe to his channel. Yeah, what is Jailbreak glitch for me? You might have seen one of my videos that Jailbreak glitch. Oh yeah, climbing my way up. There's a chopper. No, enter driver. Today we are being dirty cops. Oh jeez, say hello to the viewers. You literally can't say anything. Jacob, hurry the hell up. I already said that. Jacob already said that while you were gone. Jacob is glitching out. I'm not too sure if you can hear him. Jacob, where the hell are you? Yeah, I can't hear him at all. Oh, God. Oh, God. Making my way circling. See if I can see him. Jacob! Jacob! For Pete's sake. Let's go. Jacob, if you can hear me, I don't know what. Jacob! I just typed in the chat. Oh, Jacob, there you. Jacob, where were you? Jacob, where were you? Jacob! Well, today Jacob is glitching. Well, I'll go try and find him. Jacob! Yes, I can hear you. I can hear you. That's not, I told you, that's not Justin. Roblox is freaking glitching out for me. I can't get out of the safe. Yes. Yes. Jacob, I'm going to have to reset. I will come for Jacob. Jake. Guess what? Jacob. 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 I can't. What? I literally can't do anything. Well, I might not make any more videos. Gosh dang, Jacob is glitching. Oh, jeez, I did not mean to do that. Well, anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you already haven't. Leave a like on this video. Just wait. Yeah, you can see it. You saw it. Yeah. And, yeah, go just subscribe to Jacobwaas' channel as well. So, everyone, peace!